Cooking fumes contain over 300 kinds of harmful substances. But people always forget to turn on their range hood when cooking. We have conducted extensive research on how to identify and extract fumes automatically with AI. The result is Viomi's first AI-enabled range hood, Eyebot. Comes with an embedded camera that identifies cooking fumes, sees like a human eye, and can access the level of cooking fumes. With AI image recognition technology, Eyebot can track cooking fumes dynamically and in real time. Eyebot has precise identification capabilities and can distinguish cooking fumes from human movements that arise from cooking. Eyebot will automatically remind you to turn off the fire when cooking. Enabled with night vision technology, Eyebot works well in dim light. With a 360 degrees monitoring zone, Eyebot adjusts its position intelligently depending on the level of fumes. The power of Eyebot's exhaust fan adjusts according to level of cooking fumes. Our exhaust fan technology has been optimized to achieve an impressive suction strength of 23 cubic meters per minute. Stronger suction usually leads to more noise. Fortunately, we have implemented noise reduction technology that is more advanced than that in an Apple iPhone. With AI technology, Eyebot can identify the audio profile of the noise to release an opposing sound wave that cancels and reduces the amount of noise. With AI voice control, your voice is the remote control, making cooking so much easier. You can even remotely control and monitor your cooking through our mobile app. This is not the future. This is Viomi's AI-enabled range hood, Eyebot. IoT at home. Smart and connected home living. Say goodbye to traditional home appliances. Choose Viomi IoT at home, smart and connected home living.